If you want to deactivate your Roblox account and take a break from Roblox, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video until the end and don't skip any part, because every step is important. So let's get started. If this video meets your needs and helps you deactivate your Roblox account, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. First, open the web browser and go to the Roblox website, then sign into your account. Once you're signed in, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, click on Privacy and Content Restrictions from the left side menu. Now, scroll through the settings and look for the account deactivation and deletion option. If the deactivation option is available, click on it and follow the instructions shown on the screen. Roblox may ask you to verify your account before the deactivation request can be completed. Before you continue, make sure you understand that deactivating your account can affect your access to your Roblox profile, items, and progress. If you don't see a deactivation option in your settings, contact Roblox support and submit a request asking about account deactivation.